Hey everybody, we're here at the Dawn booth at IBIE, and I am here right now with Lacey Berlin from our team. Lacey, before we jump right in, can you let everyone know what you do here at Dawn?
Sure. So I'm the manager of digital transformation. I'm helping our customers and I'm helping our sales team transition the way we do business with our customers. We have an e-commerce system that's helping our customers grow their business and helping our MSRs grow their business with our customers.
All right, so if I'm one of our great customers out there watching and I see the ads and the information online about online ordering with Dawn, can you break that down and tell us what exactly Dawn is providing our customers?
Yeah, it's a really great question. So, when we say online ordering, the platform is actually so much more than just online ordering. Our customers can now access all of their past invoices. They can access every single item that's sitting on the shelf in their distribution center. They can access every single item that they've purchased from Dawn over the past 13 months. We can create quick shopping lists so the customer can sign in, access all the products that they purchased from us before, and quickly add them to the cart and submit their order in just a few minutes.
So it really is a seamless experience to get what you need to see and then also to discover other things that Dawn has.
That's right.
So if we're talking about who this system is available to right now, which Dawn customers can jump on shop.dawnfoods.com and put an order in?
Right, so it's our market account, so all of our market bakeries can access the platform. We are working on an integration right now, so we have our Dawn Foods website. We also have shop.dawnfoods.com. The two will be integrated by mid-2023 along with our payment portal. It's literally a one-stop shop for our customers.
And what are we hearing from customers? What's the feedback that our team's getting on this tool for them?
Being at the show, we have, met so many customers from across the globe, and the one thing we keep hearing is, wow, this is amazing. Why isn't everybody doing this? Our customers have never had access to every single product that's been available to them now. So this is a game changer in the industry.
Awesome. And here at Dawn, it's all about that partnership and helping our bakeries succeed and get what they need. So thank you, Lacey, for chatting with us today.
My pleasure.
Great.
My pleasure.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.